The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone had a great night. Hope everyone's having a great day and expecting a great day. Morning's the box, John, Shabbat, Warriors Bay, and 13th Street Warrior. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. Morning, JC. Speed Racer. Speed Racer, you're here early this morning. So let's look at the overnight ES. We dipped down to 38.56 But pop back up, high of day 38.83. 56 to 83, about 27 points of range. Copper rising up, being counted, about 220 ticks of range. Gold dipped, about a 15-point range there. Ultra bond, tight range today, less than a point. Natty gas making a new low as we speak. Dips under 4. About 200 ticks of range, and last but not least, crude oil. About 170 ticks of range. Make sure he gives you a note, Speed Racer. And I'll mark your absence excused. Morning Fert. And of course, Bitcoin at 16.8. That's where we sit and stand, ready to rock the markets this morning. Dipping and up, dip up, up, down, up, down. I still have some breakfast in front of me, so I'm going to quickly finish that while we watch ES. Oh, real quickly, we do have, of course, news this morning. It's Thursday, so we have unemployment today. And let me see if there's anything else. Yes. Jobless claims, Canadian trade balance, international trade, all at 8:30. At 9:20, Fed speaker. At 9:45, U.S. S&P services, and at U.S. S&P composite PMI finals. And 10:30, natural gas. 11 o'clock, crude oil inventories. Good morning, Kim. Nice to see you. How are you this morning? Now I'm gonna finish up my breakfast quick. This is our high of the day right here, back here, about a half an hour ago, up to 83, and I think we just established a new high right there. Oh, big move up. Spiked up to 85. Let's play the reversal. Too late. I was going to try and quickly hit a reversal trade on that, but I was not prepared. Not prepared. Reminder, folks, if you're expecting to enjoy today's stream, that like button would like to be smacked around a bit. I'm going to continue stuffing my face here quick. back here a bit after that big move up. And Q also made a big spike there, about 14 points. Hey, breakfast is done. Now we watch the markets. To market, to market. So giving back almost, well, about half, a little more than half that candle. Now even more. So coming back down. Morning, Robin. Good to see you. So watching here. Ready for our next setup. See what crude oil's doing. Crude consolidated, came down, now consolidating here at this level. So it just gave, ES gave back that whole big candle there. As we wait. Back down to the EMA. And breaking the EMA. This would have been a good entry right here for this move up. Fortunately, it's right as I was stuffing my face and trying to get the stream started. See, this would have been a perfect 2-pointer or almost 6 points. And this would have been a good reversal play. I just didn't get in time. Well, I got in. I could have got in time, obviously, but I didn't know if it was going to continue down. Popping back up to this could be an entry right here. Not 100% sure I like it there, though. I like it. I love it. I don't want some more of it. You're a quiet bunch today. Wake up. We have news popping. And we actually have actually I missed it, but we have a tiny bit of news. It might not be tiny because it's marked in red on Financial Juice. U.S. ADP employment change. That comes up at 8:15 before the big 8:30 news. So let's see what that does to us. We're taking the short here if this closes red for me. Yeah, I'm just going to take it now anyway. Yeah, don't. Follow your plan. Follow your plan. That's a 1-point candle down. Yeah, probably should have taken it. See how this candle finishes up. It ended up being a stronger candle than yep. Kind of missed it. It was that last candle that was the actual trigger candle. Now this one went all the way down to the 100. And I'm more likely to expect it to bounce here than continue downward. But it does continue down. At least 2 ticks so far. So right here, this one right here is actually the trigger candle. I like moves like that where it goes down, up, down. That would have been perfect, obviously, for this move down. So there's a consolidated down here. Like it's starting to flush down after, pretty sustained move up, a couple pullbacks. Let's see it trying to give back now. Down to the 200 and continuing to flush. So hit that new high of day, 38.85. It's already down 9 points. and continue to move down. This is where this indicator on the bottom kind of messed me up, because my plan is to take also take a trade if it breaks the 100 there, and I didn't because I see how we were kind of rubbing that Bollinger, but obviously it would have worked. So wait for the next opportunity. There's gonna be more today. I guarantee it. Or your money back. It'll pop up here. So we got down to 38.74. It'll bounce. Good morning, Dakota. How are you doing today? I'm doing all right. As we continue to push down here. Ultra bond market starting to come alive. Its market opens in about 30 minutes. It's alive. It's alive. Yes, it's continuing to fall. Is it? Make sure there wasn't some sort of news that started this. Not that I see. Not that I see. Uh-oh, what did I do? My New Year's thingy. Oh, I just actually turned it off. There we go. Pops up. So got down to 73.5. Pop back up to 75. Try to get back up to that 100. So 2 days this week, total of $500 on this Apex account. Hoping to continue that momentum. That's what we're hoping. Pushing back down. And waiting to see what we can see. Definitely quiet today, guys. Everybody's sleeping. In case you missed it, Lilu has now followed Apex and now has a one-time only account fee, as well as the monthly option. Dave, how are you doing? Pat has decided to join me, so I can't see the screen. He's being needy this morning for some reason. Clingy. So, of course, the market should just like explode here in a minute. Thank you for that reminder, JC. Ah, cat stepped on keyboard. Yeah, Dave, bunch of news today. We have that news that JC just mentioned at 8:15 Eastern. 8:30 we have unemployment report, and 9:45 some PMIs. 10:30 natural gas inventories. 11 o'clock crude oil inventories. I just did all that from memory because the cat's still blocking my screen. Welcome, Dave. We're sitting on the 200 here. Well, the cat gets me to rub his ears. Pushing down. Rejection off the 200. Yeah. Cat is left. Now we go back to our trading already in progress. I thank everyone for joining me this morning. Hope everyone's having a good day. Remember, feel free to say hello in the chat. Questions, comments, welcome. Yep, I trade long and short. And welcome. Welcome to the stream. Kind of sit here, watching almost the top of the hour. Neither of our G's are here, G-Man or Mr. G. And pushing down. Haven't seen Chris Moore again this week. Hopefully everything's okay with him. There's the top of the hour. 8 a.m. on the East Coast, 7 a.m. my time. 5 a.m. for the very soggy West Coast. If you're on the West Coast, make sure you're staying safe. Like some pretty nasty weather out there. Found out the other day during that tornado thing that like a tornado touched down probably like a mile away from here. Did some damage to old bowling alley that's out of commission and knocked out some power over there. Didn't really, hurt anybody, luckily. But we're not supposed to get tornadoes on January 3rd. See this down, move down, up, down, and back up. Kinda like the up move. It's an uptown move. Excuse me. Yep, 9 p.m. Borneo's time. Good evening, Borneo. How are you doing? Alright, coming back down. So did not continue that move up, rejected back down, just kind of consolidating here. Remember, news in about 13 minutes, first bit of news. It's a minefield of news. As we push down here. Our low of day is still quite far away. Our low of day was 56 and a quarter. Our hourly chart. You can see it's been kind of flat on the hourly. Kind of boring right now. Made this nice move down that I missed. And it bounced here. This could have been an entry here, but I don't like to enter short on what was technically a green candle. Ten minutes until that first bit of news. Good morning, Deb. How's it going today? The Ultra Bond pushing down. Pushing. There's another push down. Hey, Rod, how are you doing today? Let's continue to fall here. Glad to hear that. Hey, Andrew. Nice to see you. How are things? Oh, God, I don't feel good. Their bands have really tightened down here. Ooh, big move up. 2 points. Pulling back. What happened yesterday, Andrew? Ah, hate that. So big pop up here. About 2.5 points. Right up to that EMA. On your folks, if you're enjoying the broadcast or stream, not really broadcast, stream, or you expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. The channel continues to kind of grow. Right back down, just gave that whole candle back. It's good to have a good return policy on those candles. Remember, we have news in 5 minutes, the news in 20 minutes. Hanging 38.71. Continuing to try and push down here. Ouch. And popping back up to 72. Just hanging here in this 1 point, 2 point range. Probably going to just sit here until the news. News in a minute. Let's see if this move. Yeah, easy for me to say. Moves the market. Morning, Matt. Here we go. This is ADP employment change news. 10 seconds. Oh, boom. Whipped up there to be at the right before the news, and then wow, holy Hannah! Quick burst down, giving about half back, but it went down by 19 points. Now it's only down 8, so it's giving more than half back. So let's see what those numbers were quick. For US ADP employment change, actual 235K, forecast was 150K. That seems to be a pretty big miss. That candle ended up finishing down 14 points. See if we're bouncing here. She's a mod on the Discord, Earn to Trade Discord. I have no idea where I picked up Holy Hannah from. I must have picked it up from something I watched at some point in time in my life. Nice, Robin. Good job. Matt, at least I know Holy Hannah is not going to get me demonetized like saying holy something else that might come out of my mouth. Nice rise up here. So great bounce. Great job. So now remember we have another more news coming in just 12 minutes. Oh yeah, and we have the treasuries markets opening in less than 2. And here we're coming back down. We got very close to low day there. Low day was 56 quarter. We got down to 57 3/4. And now we just see it's trying to push down, really struggling to get below this point. It's trying again. Coming down, 38.59. And another bounce back up. All right, good luck on that, JC. Oh, we're up 3 points already, I see. Coming back down. ADP Chief Economist Richardson says the labor market is strong but fragmented, with hiring varying sharply by industry and establishment size. We're sitting right at 38.62. Oh, pop there. Green trade, that works. Though it wasn't as much as you wanted, but hey, green is green. Hey, Kareem, Ahmad. Welcome. No trades yet today, Travis. I missed the good entry on one earlier. And now just waiting for another setup. I'm glad you found the time to find this, Kareem. Nice to have you here. You streaming today, Travis? Oh, wow. Hope you're doing all right. Morning, Burl. Guess if nothing of the talk's the worst of it, then that's pretty good. Well, definitely get better soon. For those of you unaware, Travis is also a futures live streamer. I've checked out his channel a few times. He's checked out mine a few times. We go back and forth a little bit. I've never actually said hi on his channel. I should do that one day once he's streaming again. Kareem, feel free to, if you have any questions or comments, feel free. Goes for everybody. If you have any comments, questions. I used to say insults, but too many people started taking that one to heart and actually doing it. So we're hanging here. Remember, we have news unemployment report coming up in 3 minutes. Here's Travis's channel if anyone wants to check it out. He's also a prop firm trader, mostly I believe with Elite Trader funding. I think. No problem. Just kind of consolidating here, 38.63. Kareem, the best advice I would give is just to take it slow and steady. Since you're not, not looking to get rich fast is good because anytime someone's trying to get rich fast, that's gonna end up blowing up. But just stick to whatever your plan is. Whatever your trading plan is, follow your rules. You know, what assets do you trade? Remember we have news here in a minute. What assets do you trade, Kareem? Do you stick to micros? Are you doing minis? Cool, Travis. Okay. Well, remember, nothing wrong with doing micros if that makes you more comfortable for a while. But minis is fine too. Yeah, you do have to learn to take the loss. That's one of the hardest things about trading. But no one's 100%, and if the losses are gonna bug you, you're gonna end up making psychological mistakes. It's part of my problems. One of my issues. Um, ooh, big move down here on unemployment. New low at day, 38.52. When you have trouble accepting the losses, then they hang with you in your mind, and you end up taking trades you shouldn't take, or revenge trading, and it just kind of snowballs. I'm gonna bounce there off of 52, back up to 57, up to 59. Let's go check the numbers. U.S. initial jobless claims, actual 204K, forecast is 225K, so that was a better number. Canadian trade balance negative 0.04 billion. Forecast was positive 0.5 billion. So the Canadians are not doing really well there. U.S. international trade actual 61.5, negative 61.5 billion. Forecast was negative 63 billion. So a slight beat there as well. Well, I mean, the the closer you can come to a robot as possible. But we are human. It's more being able to manage your emotions versus no emotions, because we're human. We can't just turn our emotions off, but it's learning to manage it and not react to it. Yeah. Burl and Travis basically said the same thing in the last two sentences there about trading small, starting small, moving up. I will say, you do have a very good mindset, Kareem, with not wanting, so many people want to come into trading and make thousands of dollars on their first day or within a month. You have the right mindset to there with knowing that it's going to take time to build confidence and build the account. Dakota short at 22, nice. Pushing Ultra Pop pushing down there. It's pushing down before its market open. Now pushing down further. Exactly, Kareem. Our new low of the day was 38.52. We're hanging a couple points above that. Huh. I wonder why, JC. Little bounce there on. You're very welcome, Kareem. This is a good community for that natural gas, Burl. Wow, why is natural gas is falling so much? It is. I mean, I know we have had a little bit of a warm spell, but wow, just continuing to fall on natural gas. Good positive trade there, Dakota. This is what makes this community so great, is that we're all willing to help each other, give advice where needed or where asked for. Crude oil looks messy. And continuing the push down here. Morning heavies, welcome. Ouch, yep, there's that push down. NQ back below 11,000 and pushing down toward 10.9. $52. Hanging here. See if it can get lower. How low can it go? Yep. That's as soon as I said how low can it go, that limbo immediately came to my mind. I was gonna start singing the limbo song, but decided against it. Yep, pushing down 38.50, 50. Let's look here. Yesterday's low, 38.36 half. We just broke 50 down to 49. And the low for Tuesday was 38.14 half. Couple point bounce there. $51 till the bell. Nice, Andrew. Good job. There's a bullish engulfing. Ultra bond with a bounce. Strong move back up here. That's a 5.5 point candle. Watching. Let's see. Yep, there's a bounce on UB. Pulling back a little bit on copper. Dow, of course, coming down. Natural gas continuing to fall. We have a Fed speaker speaking. It was another Fed speaker that was not on the calendar, just like yesterday. And back up to the EMA, so nice move back up. Bottom was 38.49 quarter. We moved up about 7 points. Final. And don't forget tomorrow, non-farm payrolls at 8:30. Our first huge news event of the year. And we also have news at 10 o'clock tomorrow. U.S. ISM Services PMI, U.S. factory orders month over month. I think next week we'll have the CPI report. I have to look at the calendar. It's that EMA kind of bouncing down. Appreciate everyone being here today. Hope everyone's having a great day so far. There we go. Dakota's back in the UB. Like he's up about 6 ticks here, looking for 2 more. Seems to be struggling to get below that area though. Back up to 13. Maybe I need to stop looking at it. Every time I look at it, it bounces. Sorry, Dakota. minute while I take a little bit of ibuprofen. Somehow I hurt my finger yesterday. No idea how I did it, but I can't. It's swollen and I can't even bend it. And we see ES here coming up to that EMA again. We have a few bond traders here, Travis. Dakota loves the Ultra Bond. JC trades the Ultra Bond. Pamela trades the Ultra Bond. Yep, CFT loves the Ultra Bond, but CFT is now been disappeared himself over 2 months ago, so at this point I'm not sure he's going to make a reappearance. No, I would never ban CFT. Oh yeah, went to your target there, didn't it, Dakota? Yeah, he's still making videos, but he's no longer active on Discords or responding to my messages. Oh yeah, he definitely did. Good luck, Dakota. I won't check the chart this time. I'll stay off of it so to see what happens. Good morning, Crypticon. So ES tried to get up there again, did not do well so far. I mean, like I said, we bounced from 49 up to like 57. 50, yeah, 57. Just hanging here. Expect I'll see Ace popping in here shortly. ZN is it's a treasury that I don't remember. Hold on. I still have. It's the 10-year. It's a 10-year note. Here, this is the Ultra Bond. You can see this is where the price was when we first started streaming about an hour 20 minutes ago. You can see how far this has fallen. Not afraid of falling. There's Ace. Hello, FK. Yeah, tick value in UB can be scary. How's Ace doing today? Nice job, Speed Racer. Great morning, and uh, good luck at the doctor. Yep. Going long here. Keep building up those plus twos there, Dakota. Yeah, looks like I should not have went long here. Theoretically against my trading plan, but I liked it because it was above this yellow line and we came down, up. And I thought we were going to go up, down, up, up. But it's having other ideas. Absolutely, Dakota. Stopped out. Nice. That was not ready to go up yet. Way too wide of a stop there. Crude is falling. Crude is falling. Wow. Crude down to 73. Natural gas fell more. Wow. That. And this is crude. Just yesterday, crude hit a low there of 72.73. Continues to fall. And another dip. Up, dip. I should never taken that long. I based it off that, but crude bouncing a little bit. Crude market, energies market opens in 5 minutes. So heading toward the top of the hour here. 9 o'clock East Coast. And I'm continuing to kind of grind down here. So I should have not taken the long. Should have went short. Could have got 2 points out of that. Oh. Hanging out this 52 level again. You can see that's where it got down to when it got up, dipped, and back up. Crude down to 73.45. We'll watch that here in a minute. Market opens in a minute. See where it wants to go. Usually when we have a big move down at the open for the crude, it will pop up big, even if it like immediately gets beaten back down. Yes, popping a little bit there. Well, I was totally wrong there. Burst down on crude. I can't recall. Well, there's a burst. Yeah, 18 ticks down. ES also bursting down. Our low was over here, 49 quarter. 25 ticks down here on this candle and crude and continuing down. 32. When will I learn? That's why taking it with 18 contracts when you don't have, the cushion to take that many contracts isn't a good idea. On the left, uh, left is ES, right is crude. Continuing to move down. There's the new daily low in ES, 38.5, 38.25. Crude just dips under 73. Market's falling fast. Not afraid of falling. Yeah, but you hit your target, Matt. I mean, it's a green trade. Free Falling by Tom Petty. Awesome, Matt. Little bounce here. Crude back above 73. We got down to 38.45 quarter on ES. Popped up here about 4 points. Nice, Travis. Micro ES, or do you trade one of the other indices? I should know that. But cool. Crude coming back down. ES hanging around 38.47. Little pop on UB as Dakota just talked about. Uh, Yesterday's low. What was yesterday's low? Yeah, it's getting close. Yesterday's gone. Actually, it looks like it might be there. Let's look. Yesterday's low, 135.30. And we hit 135.31. So we got within a tick of yesterday's low. Popping back up here. Nice bounce. See if it comes back down. Glad to hear that, Hafiz, and thank you for those kind words. You're very welcome. We're about 24 minutes from the bell. Oh, crude. Wow. There's crude popping back up. Yes, up to 40. Yeah, easy for me to say. 38.48. $38.50. Up to the EMA. Yes, 20 minutes after the hour, so about 13 minutes from now. Another move push down. Yeah. And natural gas inventories at 10:30 and crude oil inventories at 11. One week from today, I just looked it up. 1 week from today is CPI, January 12th. That's going to be another biggie. So just kind of hanging out here. Not going, I mean, nice little bounce there. But waiting for our next entry. Oh, are you at profit target, Crypticon? Ultra bond leveled out there. Nice job, Travis. Yep. About 19 minutes till the open. Remember, tomorrow's also non-farm payrolls. Crypticon. So, bigger news day tomorrow. Pushing back down here. Pushing on down. Nice, Andrew. Well, thank you, Travis. Appreciate that. Yes, that is a donation, Crypticon. Appreciate that very much. It's very kind of him. Much appreciated. Much appreciated. If you're on a computer, Crypticon, below the thing in the chat, you see a little money sign with in a rectangle. If you're on a phone, I have no idea actually. Oh, I see it. If you're on a phone, it's right in the little chat box. Popping up. So see this down. I mean up, down, up move. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Excuse me one second. So, in weird central Illinois weather news, 2 days ago, tornadoes, today snow. This is a nice move up here, but yeah, I got burned on this move here, so I did not take this one. Let's see if it continues to up. We are 15 minutes from the bell, 5 minutes from a Fed speaker. Anyway, to answer, morning, John. Crypticon, to answer your question better, if you ever want to donate to a YouTube channel, any YouTube channel, it's right here, down here, this little button here on your chat. Of course, yours doesn't look like that. You're seeing my stats there, but that's where it's at. Yeah, Fed Bostic, or however you pronounce that guy's name. Fed speaker, yeah, according to Financial Juice. There's the link for Financial Juice. They have a paid version too, but I don't. It just takes the ads out, and they say it's a little bit faster for the actual news, but I don't really use it for the actual news anyway. I just use it for the calendar. UB got up to 136.24. That's a pretty big bounce there. Got up to the 100, kind of pull them down. Nice, John. Excellent. Oh, look at crude pushing down again. Crude down to 72.57. And we're nearing. I mean, you can see how much crude's moved since we started to stream. Let's look at this on a daily chart here. Oh, okay, so back in begin toward mid December, we got down to 70.08. I don't remember that, but so that's our recent low, and that's the lowest we were since over a year ago. Keep our eye, see if that continues to bounce down. You're very welcome. I aim to please. And we're coming right back down here. Or just trying to. I need to change the wording in that Nightbot post that Discord launched 4 months ago now. I need to just change it to the Discord invite link. As we hang here, let's see, Fed speakers should have started speaking. Not seeing any headlines yet. But another move down here. And I didn't take this one because of the Fed speaker. Maybe this was a trigger candle back down. Let's see if it gives us the 2. We're just kind of hanging. Doesn't look like this Fed speaker is saying anything that's earth-shattering. Let's see. Fed's Bostic does not discuss current policy views in brief opening remarks to Atlanta Fed Research Conference. He says officials remain determined to beat inflation. Not really. Greatest obstacle to the U.S. economy is inflation. Despite signs that prices are moderating, there's still a lot of work to be done. It makes inflation sound like a video game. That might be a fun game. We should create that. And this would have given me my 2 points here. So that would have been a good trigger candle. I hesitated because of the Fed speaker, and I should have went with it. Wow, maybe now he just said something because the market just pushed down, new daily low. Despite signs that our prices are moderating, there's still. Oh, I already said that. I don't see anything different. Wow, Robin, thank you so much. You are awesome. Thank you. That means a lot to me. It really, really does. Just remember to flex your wrists every now and then so you don't lose blood flow, Dakota. Wow, thank you. Thank you so much. You made me speechless. Low 38.43 3/4. Oh, hello, Avi. Good morning. uh, um, hold on. Yes, Crypticon. So, for those of you on a regular, real quick, let me do the show. I mean, there. Over here on the chat, down here below where you type things in, you see the little money sign with the little rectangle. That's how that person did that. For those asking, that's freaky to see the stream inside of a stream. Yes, she is. Pop back up to 38.46 with 5 minutes till the bell. Agree. This entire group is awesome. You guys give me inspiration every day to continue. I've said a couple times I may have quit if I hadn't been streaming. Back up to the EMA, 38.48. I think the Fed speaker's done already. Nothing else has come across Financial Juice that he said anything in the last 6 minutes. So he was a dud. Hello, Freighter. I don't think Putin is tuned into the stream. If he is, it'd be weird. See, pushing up here as we come into the bell. We are a little less than 2 minutes away. Hanging here at 38.49, slightly above that EMA, with 45 seconds until we hear the ding-along. Ding-along? What the heck is a ding-along? Ding, ding, whatever. We hear the bell. Crude also popping up here. So we saw a 10-point bounce here right before the bell. Let's see what we get at the bell. There it is. Ding, 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 ding. Remember, we have news again in 15 more minutes. Initial pull down, now back to green. Now back to red. Still thinks it's Christmas time, blinking a bright red and green. Down 3 points. Pushing. Crude rising. All the way back up. And Q heading down. Yes, There we go. Dip on ES. Down about 4 points. Trying to head down. Strong candle here. 6 points. There. Tongue tied today. Boom. 7 points. Wow. Big move down here. Trying to get back down to that low a day. But bouncing again there. Nope. Burst through it. Technically, that was a trigger candle. I don't like big trigger candles, so I ignored it. And it's making me regret that ignoring. And what a pop up. So new low a day, 38.41 3/4. 5-point pop though, or just about, yeah, 5-point pop back up. Continuing to move down. Crude popped all the way back up to 73.43. So it's about a full point in about 15 minutes on that bounce on crude. You see ES down to 38.39. What did I say yesterday's low was? Oh, or just about yesterday's low, 38.36 half. 2 points away. And now we're 1 point away. We just touched yesterday's low to the tick. 38.36 and a half. That'll be interesting if we see we're double bottoming with that. Bouncing. So that closes our opening 5 minutes. Well, as of now. Opening 5-minute candle. Saw us come down 10 and 3/4. Let's see where we go from here. Crude pulling back. Quite the bounce. 36 half up to 43. Coming right back down. Crude falling quick. Hanging out around 38.40. Yeah, it's looking like it wants to try and make its way back up. Remember news again in 7 minutes. Hanging here at 38.40. Oh, another push down. Crude hanging around its EMA there, trying to push down. New low, 38.30, 38.34. Below yesterday's lows now. Remember I said that Tuesday's low was 38.14 half. Bounce there though. We're watching. That would be a good entry there on crude. I don't have a crude chart up ready on Apex. I gotta maybe do that. I've been focusing more on ES, but crude right there, that would have been an awesome entry. Would have got 20 ticks. More as you see it falling again. Back under 73. Saved y'all from a sneeze of doom. My quick muting abilities. And that's muting, not mutating. And still falling. Not afraid of falling. But I can't get off the ground. Wow, big move there. So just from 53 down to 27, which is what, 26 points in a matter of 10 minutes on ES here. And Q, same move from 924 down to 828, so over 100 points there, around the 100 points. Tesla falling. Down to 38.28 here. Will we get down to Monday's lows? Will we get lower than Monday's lows? Will we bounce on news? These are the hard-hitting questions we ask here at MightyOxTrading. Back up to 38.30. In the year 38.38. No. Let's see, what's Ultra Bond doing? Ultra Bond up, down, just kind of hanging there. Dow falling. Copper to its 100. Oh my God, Crypticon. Well, thank you. Wow, guys. Y'all are amazing. I don't know what to say. You guys are continuing to make me speechless. Thank you all. Thank you, Crypticon. Yeah, seriously, guys. Thank you so much. You're amazing. Robin's amazing. Crypticon's amazing. You're all amazing. Like I said, you guys keep me going in all this. And I really do appreciate it very, very much. Well, today is definitely going to help my budget, and I really do appreciate it. Pushing back down, 38.25 half. New low. Again. Oh, news. I totally forgot about the news. Got a little distracted there, but so news here pushing it down. Uh, there's a little rectangle with a money symbol right below the where you type in your chat. Crude oil popped up there. Let's see what those numbers were. Sorry, got a little distracted there. U.S. S&P Services PMI final actual 44.7. Forecast was 44.4. U.S. S&P Composite PMI final actual 45. There was no forecast on that? No, there's no forecast on that, so I don't know if it beat it or not. By the way, we have another Fed speaker this afternoon for anyone trading in the afternoon. And we're continuing to fall. Excellent job, Andrew. Great job. Yeah, that it's made me speechless here at times, and I really do appreciate it. I really, really do. Yes. Yeah, Travis, it seems like you definitely did. Yeah, I got a good community here. I mean, like I said, they've kept me in this game when I've been down, and I've said obviously I want to make a lot of money trading, but the friendships I've made since I started streaming would make this successful, even if I never make a dime. There's definitely some great people in the trading community, and I'm glad that a bunch of y'all have found your way here. And I definitely, definitely appreciate you all. Well, thank you, Freighter. You're not the first person that told me that. It's like I listen to my own voice, and it's like nails on a chalkboard. But I guess that's true for most people. They hate hearing their own voice. I always thought I always hated my voice. I always thought I sound nasal and everything. But I've heard, I've had other people say I should try doing voice acting and stuff like that. But I never really believed them. I appreciate that, Ace. Thank you. Eh? Yeah, honestly, I know there's like, even on like Fiverr, I guess there's like voice work you can pick up. I guess maybe I should look into it if you're all really thinking that it's something I could do. Like I said, I hate listening to my own voice. It's one of the reasons I don't put out many non-live videos because editing them and listening to my own voice is just so hard for me. Seriously? Oh, yeah, I would be interested in that for money. That'd be something I could do while doing other stuff to, not doing other, but flexible schedule, put it that way. But I did look it up, and I guess it's actually a psychological thing for most people that most people hate hearing their own voice. So ES came up here to the EMA and then bounced back down. Let's see if this is a down, down, up move. That type of thing, decent pay, Robin? I mean, I've never even looked at it, never considered it. I mean, for those of you who do know what Amazon's MTurk or Mechanical Turk is, I've done voice work there. I've actually helped train Google's Home thing, but that was mainly just repeating phrases to help it learn how to respond to human voice. We're hanging right below the ZMA. Came up, right back down. I didn't take the short again. Let's see if I should have a market. I'm not confident about the short here at all, so I'm more thinking it wants to pop up here, but I could be wrong. Don't think I want to do romance. Yep, I was right. This popping back up. There we go. I'll do videos reading reading Mark Douglas's Trading in the Zone chapter by chapter. Something tells me that would probably be illegal. Oh, Brian Yu, I see you have subscribed to the channel. Welcome to the herd. Thank you for being here. Feel free to say hello in the chat. Oh, that was a quick burst up. That would have got me my 2. I would have got 5, and then look at it quickly pulling all the way back down. Yep, bears are definitely in charge today. Bulls are trying to pop things back up here, though. Crude coming back down. Breaking its EMA again. Expensive to keep replacing all these EMAs. Almost the top of the hour. No more news until, well, we have natural gas inventories later and crude oil inventories. Nothing else that should affect the indices. So there's another push up. So bulls are trying to make a charge. Our low is 23.5. We've come back up by 15 points. Excellent job, Travis. Nice. Put one back just a tad. I mean, overall, yeah, we've come down big. This is our high. It's 38.85. So we dropped about 60 points. Okay, the Discord just got a whole bunch of new members. If any of you are here, I mean, uh, no one's verified yet. Let me know if you're in here, and I'll be happy to verify you there. Pulling back here on ES again, back down. Not confident in that move down though. Yeah, seems like it's gonna pop right back up. Let's see. Get right back up. Strong move back up 4 points. Crude also popping there, right at the top of the hour. Taking a long here. Oops. I'm in at 38.36.75. There's a nice push. Nope, back down. Oh, there we go. There we go. Struggling there at 39. I'm out. So, that was a 2-point win. See if I got out too soon again as usual, but that's okay. 2-point winner. Oops. Try that again without the window in the way. There we go. Oh, yeah, I got out. Wow. Darn, got out way too soon, but that's okay. And that means I'm now only down $62 on the day. Now, why did I take that trade? Because I saw that, first it's come up, up, up. These, would have worked up and then dipped, and that just looked like a nice dip buy. We were above the moving average down here on the RSI. So it's just a good looking trade right there. Should have stayed in longer, but that's okay. Thank you, Ace. Thank you, Avi. Well, I took a loss earlier, Fert, but that's okay. Still work on getting it back to positive today. Only down 5 ticks now. Pushing back down. So 1 for 2 on the day. Unfortunately, I let that loser run bigger than I let the winner run. But that's okay. Dipping again. So this move up is not real strong. It keeps wanting to dip. Pushing down. So technically, this is actually my trigger candle because we're below the moving averages, but I'm not taking shorts here right now because the overall very short-term trend has been upwards. And that's why, right there. So, pop it back up. A little less than an hour to go on the stream. Crude looks like it wants to continue downward now again. It's below 73. Well, it's hanging right on 73. ES trying to push up. We'll see if I should have went back to the well here and taken this long back up. Yep, we should have. Wow, what the heck just happened? Whoa. Okay, what just happened? I'm not seeing news. What the heck just caused the ES to pop up 15 points? It's mostly pulling back now. Crude popped. Ultra did nothing. And Q popped. Wow. And now it's giving it all back. I should have taken that trigger candle. Nice, Crypticon. Good job. Yeah, that was a weird pop. I'm not seeing news. Oh, here it is, guys. Russia will declare a truce with Ukraine from January 6th to January 7th? Wait, a 1 day truce and it causes the market to pop? I'm confused. So yeah, Russia's declaring a 12-hour truce. Yeah, oh, a 1 day Christmas truce. That's right. Some European countries and like Russia celebrate Christmas on January 6th. So it's a 1 day Christmas truce. Nice, Avi. Great job, Crypticon. Huh. Dude, I wish Putin would have called me and let me know he was going to do that. I wonder if the algos read that as a truce, like a permanent truce, and that caused that big pop. And it's like, well, crap, it's only for a day. That said, this was a trigger candle, and I could have quickly grabbed a good 15 points there if I had actually taken it. So crude's still trying to move, push up. We're sitting here at 100. Let's see if it gets through. Pushing up. Pulling back. So back above 50, but pull back. Mm, Crypticon. What? Nice. Wow, Matt, that's a great recovery. You're going to need to send Putin a thank you card. So, still trying to head up here, hanging around 38.45. Crude hanging right above 73. That's a good idea, Matt. Hanging here at 38.43. Crude going a little bit wild. Remember, crude has inventories in 45 minutes, natural gas in 15. Push him down to the EMA. Hang in there. Crude coming back down. And we're just kind of hanging here. Market's kind of taking a breath. There's a breakdown. Back down to 38.37. Think taking the short here. Bouncing on me. Give me a move down there. Come on, you know you wanna. There we go. Ah, bouncing. Mm, there we go. Come on, give me a little push down. Give it to me. There we go. Target hit. 2 points. And we're back to green on the day. And again, out before, and it's probably going to really drop here, but up by 37.50 now on the day. Thank you, Travis, Matt, Avi, Fert, JC. Appreciate it. Thought for sure that was going to bite me there. there. Still hanging around that area at 38.36. Thank you, Robin. So, one bad trade, which I should have cut earlier than I did. It's now been erased by two good trades of $37 on the day. I'll take it. Crude, trying to push up. Let's see what everything else is doing. Natural gas is hanging there. Inventories in 7 minutes. Ultravant flat. Yeah, Dow up and then down. And ES does continue to fall. One day I'll actually stay in one of these trades and get like more out of it, but hey. I'm 6 out of my last 7 in trades for winners. For the week, 8 for 8 wins, 5 losses. And back up here, 38.36. $38.34. About a half an hour to go on the stream. See if we can find one more good trade, but we won't force it, of course. And a horse is a horse, of course, of course. What show is that line from? Anybody? Anybody? A horse is a horse, of course, of course. Back up. Popping back up above the EMA. Yeah, good job, guys. A horse is a horse, of course, and nobody can talk to a horse, of course, unless, of course, the horse is the famous Mr. Ed. And hello, Sid. Hey, Happy New Year, Sid. Yes, not getting established back up. Looks like it wants to come right back down. Yeah, it wants to come down. That looked like a reversal candle there. Let's see if it does. Crude oil, look at the way it's just banging its head up against that 100 EMA. It's a headbanger. Mind folks, if you enjoyed the stream today or are enjoying, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Taking the short there. Let's see if gonna do a very tight stop on it though. Uh, it's not a tight stop. That's a tight stop. That gonna stop me out. Gonna go back down to zero. Or back negative, I should say. Well, maybe not. Push it down. There we go. Wow. I'm out there real quick. It ended up being 5 ticks, so it was a $62 win, and looks like I got out maybe at the right time. Thought for sure that was going to stop me out there. Crude just went up, but now let's see, we are at $100 even now on the day. So from being $162 down to $100 up. I got in at 38.37 and a half and out at 36.30, 36 quarter. Thank you, Sid. Traded my plan there. Saw this candle. I should have got in right away, honestly, when I saw that candle. But I did wait for the trigger. So that was my, this was the trigger. Entered there. You saw it reverse, and I did get a little scared there. I thought for sure I was gonna get stopped out. But continuing down now. So these last two trigger candles to the downside have worked. Crude blew up there and came back. Let's see what natural gas did on its inventories. Wow. Wow. 93 ticks down. I cannot believe how far natural gas has fallen. Let's look at on a daily chart. We have not been this low in natural gas since. Really? We have not been this low in natural gas since June of 2021, so like 18 months. Inventories must have been huge. Natural gas change, negative 221 V. Expected was negative 240 V. So that's billion, but I'm not sure. And we're pushing down here on crude oil as well. Crude oil's inventories come up at the top of the hour. How's everyone's P&Ls looking today? We know Matt's up. No Dakota's up. No Cryptocon's up. Travis was up. Never heard whether Ace got his too. No. Good job, Freighter. Karib and John. Sorry to hear that you're down, but you seem like you've managed that the losses are not horrible. And that can be just as important as you know, managing a good day is making sure the losses don't get out of control. Oh, ES fallen. What's our low today? 25, right? 23 and a half. We're back down to 38.30. Nice, JC. Just not seeing stuff you like today, huh, JC? Bounce back up on crude oil there. Two ticks is better than no ticks unless they're on your dog. Nice bounce there on crude. $38.32. And crude's trying to get back above its 200 EMA there. Sitting here, sitting on the dock of the bay. And nice bounce there on ES, back up to 38.36. This is down, up, failed, down, and let's see where this goes. Let's see where she goes. So remember, tomorrow we have non-farm payrolls. Week from today we have CPI reports, a couple big news reports, and I assume next week is also PPI report. It's always within a day or two of CPI. Crude pushing up. Move back down here. I didn't respond fast enough to it. This is a trigger candle back down. Let's see if it goes. And Monday, remember, 2 streams on Monday. The morning stream like normal, and then we have an evening Asia stream at 7:45 Eastern time that day. Night, evening. Hey, Zabak. I could go 3 points, so that would have been another win down. See, this is why my strategy is to take. We should have been to take every one of these. Doom, doom, doom. All 3 of these earned their purple. Purple line for when a trigger candle would work. Blue line when it won't, or when it doesn't. Hang in here. Now, this up, down, up move often means that we are heading up now. Big move up, 38.36 again. Oh, look at crude. Crude trying to get to 74 before inventories come in. We're gonna watch that. Yep. He who hesitates is lost. See, that went exactly 2 points, so it slipped it. There we go. So that would have been a winning trade as well. I said often means we're going up. That would have been a winning trade for 2 points. That's coming up on the 100 EMA there. watching about 15 minutes ago. We'll probably go a couple minutes after so we can watch the crude oil inventory report. See, it's playing here in the 100. Trying to get through. Rejecting. Still hanging here. Taking a long. Going back a tad. Put our stop. Two and a half points. No, don't like the looks of that. It rejected. No, maybe. I thought we broke it. We didn't. Looks like I'm going to give back my profit. Or, come on. Push up. My entry's 38.41 quarter. Yep. Stopped out. So, went for the break. It was too close to the band. Took the loss. Down 37 bucks again now. Oopsie on that trade. That was probably a stupid entry. Falling pretty quick. Back down to the EMA. Technically a trigger candle, but I don't like it here. Crude popping back up there. There's the S trying to pop up again. Take another long. Choppy. Not moving badly though. Burl. But two bad decisions here is going to make today a red day, I think. Yeah, did not follow my plan. This should have taken the short back down. Two stupid moves there. Down 150. I should know better than to try and catch reversals up. This one worked, so I thought that one was going to work. And it didn't. Well, not horribly down today, but and maybe I'll still try and get it back after the stream. We'll see. Yep, see, this is what you get for not following the plan. As that's my 2 points coming back down. I will learn one day. One day. Yes, Matt. Oh, look at this move down now. Now you see, if it's struggling to get below the 3830 area, let's see if it can this time. We'll watch. Broke down below it, but bounced right back up to it. Popping back up there. Crude oil inventory is in 5 minutes. Pushing up. Well, good morning, Hassan. Yes, you did. But gold's been, wow, look at the drop on gold. Wow. I hadn't looked at gold all morning and down 35 points. Wow. Yes, yes, you did, Hassan. Let's look at everything. You see, copper didn't move any lines since we started. Ultra bond, big dip, but big comeback. Of course, natural gas just continues to drop. Well, at least that's something, Hassan. Crude oil inventories in a couple minutes. We'll see how that reacts, and we'll call it a day. Oops, I still have my Ninja window up. Deco, well, that depends on how long ago you are here. I currently have a funded earn to trade account. It's in trouble. I gotta dig it out of trouble. But I did get funded by earn to trade. I was also funded by Tick Tick Trader. Now I'm currently in an Apex and an Elite Trader funding evaluations as well. Yes, continuing to try and kind of push down here. We're less than a minute until crude oil inventories. Because they're incredibly cheap. And I like to diversify. Crude pulling down here right before inventories. Ooh, boom. Crude shoots up and back. Wow. So it whipped up 23 ticks, then shot down 27 ticks, and now it can't decide. Well, uh, Deco, I actually have the funded account running with an algo, or I did. I got to dig it out now because the algo got it in trouble. But the algo was doing really, really well, and then I was manually trading in the other. I actually got funded with an algo. Now crude's taking off. So indecision, and we saw crude just absolutely rocket. Let's see what the numbers were. Crude oil inventory is 1.694 million. Forecast was 1.5 million. So a slight beat. And look at ES falling. Trying to get the low a day. We'll hang out here for a couple more minutes. Pulling back now on crude. ES will just hang here for a couple minutes, see if ES continues to push. So crude trying to give it back. ES bouncing a bit. So Deco, where you been the last 10 months? And popping up. So did not get down to the new low there. Still hanging in this area. So I think that's where we're going to call it for the day. I want to thank currently doing really well. Sorry. Glad to hear that, Deco. Good luck. See you tomorrow, JC. Keep us up to date. Try and stop in more often when you can. And as for the stream, I think we're done for the day. I want to thank everyone for being here. Definitely, thank you to Travis and Robin and Crypticon for the wonderful donations today. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you. And we'll be back here tomorrow morning, 7:30 Eastern, non-farm payroll day. Have yourselves a great rest of your day, everybody, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.